What's up, guys? You're watching another video. It's actually a cloudy day today, finally. You guys probably hear in the background, one of the homies is pulling up. My boy Jimmy got a new car, another new car, bro. I swear, Jimmy actually, I was about to say, I swear Jimmy needs a YouTube channel, but he actually just started one. Oh my God, Jimmy. That shit is beautiful. I have not seen it. Well, he got a new car and I've been telling him I want to see it. I think he might let me drive it today too. Jimmy, this is insane, bro.
What do you think?
It's insane. You guys ready to see it? You guys probably already see by the title. Look at this thing. R33 GTR, bro. There's no way you got this, Jimmy.
We had to step it up.
I'm so jealous, bro. Dude, that is insane. This might be one of my favorites that you've had. Bro, Jimmy's had so many cars. You gotta send me pictures of all your cars so I can put them on the screen right here.
Bro, dude.
But he's had I don't even know, bro.
R32, the NSX, E46.
Bro, so many sick cars.
R5,
C7.
C7.
Bro,
C6.
too many cars. Mark 4, Mark 5 Supra.
Yeah, Mark 4,
dude,
Mark 5.
You're crazy. But this one might be probably the best, bro. I'm not even kidding. That shit looks beautiful with the TEs too. Oh my God, bro. Damn, that shit is nice, guys. I'm so jealous. These wheels are fire. I kind of want to do mine this color on the F80. What do you guys think? That silver? Damn, bro. And it has the purple paint, midnight purple, right-hand drive. Damn, this car is beautiful, guys. I'm so jealous. But as you guys have been seeing in the recent videos, I've been doing a lot of ride-alongs with my friends with cool cars. And how sick is today's car that we're gonna review and drive in? I cannot wait, guys. It's gonna be so sick. He literally just picked it up. You guys might remember, he actually let me drive his R32 GTR too. I wanted to buy it so bad. I should have bought it off of him. That would have been sick.
It's midnight purple once. You know how there's like midnight purple 3. This one's just purple basically.
Ah, okay. It's clean. It's a nice ass purple. Sheesh.
Oh, yeah. You can barely see it.
It's bad it's not sunny, but yeah, that's how like sparkles in it. I love the wheels. Yeah. My God, guys, it's so clean. Got the carbon fiber lip on it. Damn.
Dude, it scrapes. I had it lowered, dude.
Really?
Yeah, it was lowered about like another ½ inch, maybe, or a quarter of an inch. Dude, it scraped everywhere. It was like your M3, like you couldn't drive it.
That's a nice ass lip.
Yeah, it's probably gonna last like a week.
Really natural too.
Drive it or what?
I'm down.
Slow though. It's not like the R32.
Yeah, the R32 was insane,
yeah,
bro.
you're used to the R32. This one's like fun. It sounds sick. It has a full exhaust, but it's slow. It's like stock power. Probably like stock E46 M3 power.
That's crazy. Shout out to Jimmy for pulling up.
Oh yeah.
Showing me the new car and letting me drive it, maybe.
Yeah. No. Let's go drive it. Straight from Japan.
That's insane, bro.
Crazy how different it looks.
I know.
Like from the R32.
With a big old turbo.
Soon.
You're gonna do that?
Yeah, we'll probably single turbo it and then make it like stock engine though. You know, so probably just like 500.
I should have bought your R32. Imagine.
Dude,
we would have had both of them already.
I know. You should still get one.
I want one. That's like, I always said it. My first right-hand drive I buy is gonna be R32, bro.
Yeah,
I love R32s. I love the body style. But this one's actually super freaking clean, guys. You never really see R33s.
Nah, there's a.
You see a lot of R32s, yeah.
There's like, it's like a quarter, like, they made like 40,000 R32s and they made like 10,000 R32s.
Oh shit. Alright, here we go, guys. Jimmy's letting me drive another right-hand drive car.
Yeah.
Actually, my first right-hand drive car I've ever driven was his R32. And I think since then, I drove an RX-7. All these RX-7.
Oh yeah.
I drove his RX-7 right-hand drive. So this will be like the third car right-hand drive, guys. It's so different when you're doing this. Are you used to it already?
Yeah, dude.
Probably, so awkward though, like doing it for the first time, bro. It's really nice in here. This shit clean, bro.
30-year-old car.
Yeah, this is crazy.
But we're gonna clean it out. Like, dude, look at this thing. It has like a shitty ass ricey shift boot, but we're gonna change that.
But you've already done so much. How long have you had it? Like
a week.
A week? New wheels, new coilovers, and everything.
Exhaust.
Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, it's already coming together. I'm scared. It feels so different compared to my cars.
Clutch, it engages really far out.
Way
so
out.
You'll feel it. There you go.
It's so different compared to F80. When you drive the F80 right now, you'll be like, what the heck? Dude, it's so weird right-hand drive. Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, bro. That's insane. Bro, it's so sick though.
Oh no.
Bro, look, see what I'm doing? I'm on the line again.
He's on the left.
I was way on that side.
Yeah, you have to just try to stay to the right.
It's pretty fast enough. Not bad, huh?
Not bad. It stocks. It's probably making like around 300 horsepower right now. Yeah, you can do a pull in this. Just rev it to like 6K.
I feel so weird shifting with my left hand, bro. There you go.
that
Fun ass car. Yeah, once you single turbo, it's gonna be crazy.
yeah. Once it's making like 500.
Yeah, this is sick, bro.
It doesn't sound bad either. Now that it has the exhaust.
Oh, it sounds really good.
Dude, it sounded like a minivan when I got it.
like the
Like
quiet,
it had a full stock exhaust on it.
like a vacuum.
Yeah,
Oh, it's
like a
so weird right-hand drive. I'm sorry. I literally feel like that van was gonna hit me. I'm not even stepping on
He's
it.
like in the middle of the road.
Bro, look at how much I'm on that line. I haven't even stepped on it all the way. Oh my! I forgot, bro. Again.
You got it.
Last
Was
time.
it? You got it?
I think.
Yeah.
So it's this one.
Yeah, it's that one.
The freaking blink is on the right side, guys.
Dude, that happens to everybody.
That would be hard to get used to. I think I did that in the same last video.
Yeah, I think you did.
This is nice.
Yeah, dude.
The GTR logo. So out of all the cars you've owned, which is your favorite, Jimmy?
Out of all of them,
You said you would keep this one.
yeah, honestly, this one in terms of just like how, like I guess how cool it is in a way.
Yeah.
But dude, the most, believe it or not, the most like overall fun is the Mark V Supra, dude.
Yeah, dude, that car's like perfect. Bro.
Dude, it has like 2 mods and it's fast and it's comfortable and it looks sick. You saw it has the TEs and like the.
You still have it?
Yeah, I still have it.
Are you selling now?
No, I'm gonna keep that one.
Yeah.
I want to keep the Mark V in this.
Oh, this is so weird. Driving on this side.
Yeah, you have the center.
Badass though. I was about to blinker again on this side.
Yeah, I'm about to do the wipers.
So what did it have? Stock wheels?
Yeah, I just had stock wheels, stock suspension, stock everything.
Oh, this is sick. I like it.
You should get one, dude. I'm telling you, get an R32.
Oh, I didn't downshift right.
Yeah, the downshift wasn't there, but it's good.
This is sick, bro. Oh, I did it again, bro. Like you're trying to use the blinker.
You've never owned like a Japanese car? Oh, the 350.
Yeah, but I barely drove it much.
You need to get like a 240 or an RX-7 or this.
I
or...
want something like this. Bro.
Yeah, like
a little
JDM.
Project, JDM, older car. The GTR, but it's not like that. R35.
Yeah, R35 is way different. Oh yeah, well yeah, you have your R35, but that I feel like doesn't count as a JDM car. That's like a super car, you know? Like it's just fast and new. Dude, what's the update on that?
I don't freaking know.
At this point, you're just like,
I'm just waiting, bro. Waiting for it to come back.
just sell it and buy an R8.
I was thinking about it.
Dude, just do it.
Or sell it and get like 2 sick ass cars. You know, like.
Yeah, you can afford 2. You can afford like an
I can get
R32 and like another car.
Yeah. Me and Jimmy found an R32, guys. I sent it to him. I was like, should we go look at it?
Yeah, dude, let's hit that dude up. We
We'll
should
go
bomb.
look at it. Huh?
We'll go low bomb.
Oh.
You're good.
It's badass though. It's such a fun like it's just not that fast. It's still
Yeah.
a fun like cruising car.
Yeah, like you can step on it and you won't go to jail. Like in your R35 where you're just like, you're going 100 right away.
Can they even state refuge? You got nothing done.
And so this one is kind of registered, kind of not, so don't worry about that. This one was just imported, yeah. So like this car earlier this year was like being driven by some Japanese guy, you know, in Japan.
Wow, that's crazy to think about, huh?
That was probably some
It
dude's
goes
daily.
on Japan roads. Jimmy for that drive.
Yeah. You'll drive it once it's fast though.
Yeah, I don't want to like beat on it, but that shit was fun.
Look, that's the homie Ian.
Damn.
Well, no, you always drive Beamers,
This way?
so it's, yeah, there you go.
And down?
Yeah,
Like that probably?
yeah.
Ah.
It's easier to park.
Yeah, I was gonna say, at least we won't curb my wheels.
Yeah, you can see the curb.
Or it'll really be my fault if I do.
Yeah, then at that point, you can't really be mad. All right, everybody go comment. Make them buy the R32.
Buy R32 or some type of JDM. Even a 240 like
Yeah,
you said,
even
would
a
be fun.
240.
Like something like that would be sick.
Yeah,
Cool little build. I need to do a project, bro, for the channel.
yeah, and we can help you register and everything. We already know how to do it.
Yeah, I want to like import something, bro.
Dude, let's go to Japan, buy it in Japan,
That's what
and
we
then
should
import
do.
it.
We should go look at cars in Japan for sale.
Yeah, we'll just go buy R34s.
Are they cheaper over there or no?
A little bit cheaper,
Little bit?
yeah. And
Midnight Purple GTR.
yep,
That's fire.
if you turn it off, it won't even turn off because it has a turbo timer. You can see it on the right.
What? What the?
Yeah, so now you have to wait a minute.
No way.
Yeah, it's just so the turbos can cool down.
No way. I did not know that. The key's off, guys. Can I pull it out or no?
You have to press the little button. There's like a little button.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can pull it out.
Oh, the key's out and it's still on. But that is weird. Was it speaking Japanese?
Yeah, it was. Watch here. Let me see. Right now, once it turns off, when you turn it on, it tells you something in Japanese. I have no idea what it says.
That's crazy.
All right, put the key in. Don't turn it all the way on. Just like, you know, turn it on to the ignition.
What the heck? What the heck, bro? That's crazy. I wonder what all this stuff is saying.
So I think this one is for like the toll roads in Japan. It's like toll roads, so that's what this is for. This one.
Okay.
And the other one's probably the turbo timer. It's probably just saying like, oh, 1 minute left or something.
That's crazy. It literally speaks to you in Japanese, guys. How more JDM can it get?
Yeah, for real.
Damn, that was sick. I like how the logo.
Oh yeah, don't. Yeah, we're gonna remove that. I know this is like some ricey.
Yeah,
part.
a little bit off. I think it's kind of cool though.
Yeah.
All right. Well, now I'm gonna let Jimmy drive the F80, guys.
Yeah.
He originally wanted an F80.
Yeah, we were gonna buy matching ones too.
I know, we almost got the same color.
I don't know how to drive manual. It's my first time.
Imagine.
We're about to rip the nastiest donuts ever. Got tires, right?
Do it.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
But you see the clutch is so light, bro.
Yeah, dude. What? There's like no. I can't tell if it's on or off. Oh,
Fun
dude,
stick,
this is
bro.
so like. It's so like chill. It's like. I expected it to be like all aggressive. It's like, nah, dude.
It's super chill, bro. It's like the best daily. I tell everyone.
Dude, this thing's so comfortable. I expected it to be like.
I know.
Stiff or like.
It feels so different than the R33.
Oh yeah, dude, this is nice. Easily daily this car and not have to worry about it. It's crazy though how like all M3s feel slightly similar, you know?
Yeah.
Like I'm sure your E92 felt a little bit like this.
Yeah, a little bit. Well, it feels so like
It's
nimble.
planted, yeah, it's like feels
sporty.
well-made.
I love the BMWs, how they drive. It's fucking insane.
Dude, you're about to make me buy a freaking F80, dude.
It rev matches by yourself, look.
Oh, that's sick.
You like it or no? Because some people don't like it. Because they're like, you're doing it, it's doing it for you, you know?
The Z06 I had did it.
Oh, yeah.
Z7?
If you click that red button, click it twice.
Oh, twice?
Yeah. And then
Hey,
like,
yo, oh, I saw the heads up.
Heads up display change. Now a burble.
Oh, dude. See, I used to not like the burbles, but now that the Mark V has burbles, I'm like, I get it now.
Just a little bit. This one has a little bit too much though, you'll see.
Oh, dude.
You hear it?
Dude, no way.
Bro, it's fun. Hey, look, he feels fast in the passenger seat.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel fast after being in the R33, dude.
Guys, he has an E46 right now. It's insane. It's literally like my dream E46.
I feel like you would approve of that.
Yes, bro. I want to see it next.
It's a FindingNick spec.
Literally, it's red, everything.
Okay, I'll bring it. You can drive that one.
All right, we'll do
that one I am gonna sell.
We'll do it for another video before you sell it.
Dude, this thing's quick.
And it's literally just downpipe tune. There's no intakes, no nothing.
Dude, the burbles.
So Sport Plus has them even louder, bro.
Dude, ain't no way.
You'll see right now. It's stupid
no
loud.
way.
Watch rev it, you can hear it. Bro, it's ridiculous, huh?
Dude, why is it so fast?
It feels sick.
I want one.
Does it feel fast?
Yeah, dude.
Damn, it does go fast. Bro, I'm never in the passenger seat, so
Have you ever brake boost this thing?
you can do it, watch. It'll actually do it. A little bit on it, dude. It's fun though,
That
right?
thing's sick, dude. Who's saw an F80? DM me.
I'll trade you, dude.
Dude, this thing's quick. Like it's actually fast.
But I was thinking about changing my wheels up, guys. Like kind of Jimmy's color, like the silver on this paint.
Oh, dude, the silver
It might look
looks
clean,
sick.
huh?
The light.
It might look a little different. I don't know.
Pop, definitely.
Change it up a little bit. Even though I love black wheels, but I don't know. We'll see. Same with my GTR. I got TEs finally, remember?
Yeah. And you haven't even driven it.
I haven't even driven it or enjoyed it or nothing with the freaking TEs.
That's TEs though.
But when I get them back, I think I'm gonna polish them. I like kicks, you know?
Dude.
Maybe.
Yeah, polish would look sick.
On the Millennium Jade. Look how cheap, guys. No way, huh? You guys probably already saw the last video. Look, I've been doing that. Get $1 off. Bro, look how cheap that is. That is insane. Literally the cheapest gas I've ever put in my life, probably. Not in my life, but for a few years, bro, since the prices went up. Some people are probably gonna be like, what the heck? How was that cheap for you guys? Trust me, guys, this is cheap. You go to LA or like downtown LA, you'll find places that are like $7 right now. Insane. Sometimes I wonder why I even live in California, guys. Exhaust laws, high gas prices, high ass tax. I don't know why we live here sometimes. Anyways, we out here putting gas in the F80, waiting for Jimmy to pull back up, but that was fun. He let me drive the R33. That was so freaking fun. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna get into. Go to the mall, maybe grab some food, and then just get some cool content on the way of the R33 driving and stuff. Here they are. Damn, now you can really see the purple. That shit looks sick. And then got the Shelby over there. But the purple looks nice in the light.
Right?
Now you can see how bright it is. And look what Jimmy just put on. Little Japanese plate. That suits the car so perfectly. He told me he doesn't even have plates for the car right now. But it's, I don't even think it's registered or something like that. I don't know. We're gonna see right now because where we're going, the mall is kind of packed with cops.
Yeah,
hopefully
dude,
they don't get pulled over
or not?
I hope not. The purple looks so good. They actually make a wrap like very, very similar to this. And a lot of people wanted me to do it. It's like a super popular purple that they have. How would that look on this? Imagine midnight purple F80. Still eating salads, bro. I still haven't ate like a big meal since the little stupid fast I did. I don't know, it looks weird, huh? You don't look like a salad.
You get to cut it.
I have to cut my own salad? And I got some fries. Sandwich. Oh, that shit looks bomb. Oh, you guys look bomb. This shit looks, oh, his gun. I was like, that's his gun.